Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this extra large stylish dog bed. It is reversible, so it's cool and warm, and it works perfectly in dog crates. Alright, so we got our dog bed to put in our crate. So this one I got is an extra large, and that is 47 by 5 by 29 inch by 125. It is a reversible pet mat. It is suitable for pets in cold seasons, suitable for pets in hot seasons. It is washable. You could put this in the washer. You could put it in a dryer. It is reversible. So it's paw-proofed, machine and dryer friendly, skin friendly, it's breathable surface, it's soft sleeping surface. So this is very well packaged. So you can use this at nighttime on the bed, on the floor, in a car, or as my reason for it is to put in a crate. You can see it's got a really nice design here at the top. It is super soft, it is plushy. Your dogs would love this. They offer it in several sizes. You got small, medium, large, extra large, and extra large. So the small is from 0 to 25 pounds. The medium is 25 to 45. The large is 45 to 70. Extra large is 70, 90 pounds. And the extra large is 90 to 110 pounds. So if you don't like the other side, you can flip it over to this side. So if you're in a hot climate, this right here will keep them nice and cool. Where this side right here, if you're in a cold climate, it will keep them nice and warm. So I got my husky dog right here. Her name is Ginger. She is trying to get into the crate. We are crate training her. So we're just trying to see how she likes the bed. And after the evening, we did try it. She absolutely loves it. It's super soft. It's got high density sponge material which provides long lasting comfort to help soothe aches and pains. It protects your dog paws from the harm and the coldness from the bottom of the crate, or so the paws don't get stuck into the crate. It is super soft. It's got a stone pattern plush. My dogs just absolutely love it. They approve it. If you're looking for a nice soft dog mattress that is almost like foam, I would highly recommend checking this one out. Ginger loves it.